Three Rivers Harley-Davidson Facebook Spotlight. Hi, I'm Todd, sales manager of Three Rivers Harley-Davidson. Today we have the Street Glide ST featuring the powerhouse Milwaukee 117 motor with a heavy breather on it. Tank graphics from the 1970s, awesome, from the racing division. Bronze casted wheels, matching bronze rocker box trim. Awesome bike. And on this bike we did something really special. We already installed the 10-inch YAFFE bars, heated hand grips, the Kahuna collection, and the awesome tap performance mufflers. I'm going to start this up and you can hear it. Stop down Three Rivers Harley-Davidson. All roads lead to Three Rivers. Check this bike out and all of our 2023s. Ride hard and ride safe.